Friendship in this life is very important. But it's also more important to maintain a spirit of equality in a friendship. I want to talk about how to maintain a spirit of equality in a friendship, because if someone feels that you are taking advantage, they are likely to pull out of the relationship. People are going to maintain friendship if it is symbiotic rather than parasitic. And most of the friendships is one-sided. So now I want to focus. How can you make friendship to be equal? Equality of friendship. One, both friends' needs and desires are important, not just one. Friends' needs and desires are taken to be very important. It should not be one side, where one person thinks his or her needs are more important than the other person. Both are caring about their friends' personal lives away from the friendship. You'll be concerned about how your friend's personal life is away from the general friendship. How are they feeling? Is everything okay? Both friends, they show affection. It's important to show affection practically. Both friends demonstrate effort and work in the relationship. They try to make sure this relationship work. How? By visits, by making a call, by sending a message more frequently, not when you have a need. Both friends encourage each other's goals and dreams. No, we all have got goals and dreams. You should be encouraging one another about those dreams. Both friends, they are responsible for their mutual happiness. Friends should also understand you have got a role to play in your inner happiness. Work on inner happiness. Don't always expect inner happiness to come from outside, to come from your friends. You have also to work on from the mutual happiness and to be worked on by both of them. Both friends are mutually engaged in conversation. If you don't encourage conversations, how will friendship continue? Both friends also, they decide what activities to pursue and how to have fun. They sit and decide what activities can we decide to do, which will bring us together. How can we be having fun? These friends, they also, both friends, they carry each other's burden. When one is having a burden, you take it as your own burden. And finally, both friends, they desire for the relationship to continue and grow. They don't really look at this relationship just to end, but they want it to grow to higher heights. Thank you very much for listening to me. It is always a great joy. And for my subscribers, I say thank you. For those who have not subscribed, I would encourage you to do so that when I upload a video, the YouTube group is going to alert you immediately. Thank you.